Look up at the night sky. That glowing circle is not always the same. Over 1 month, the moon transforms step by step. Stay with me, and you'll never look at the moon the same way again. Let's follow its changing face. The moon doesn't shine by itself. It reflects sunlight. As the moon orbits Earth, we see different sunlit portions. These changing amounts of light are what we call the phases of the moon. We begin with the new moon. The moon is between Earth and the sun, its bright side turned away from us. The side facing us is in shadow, so the moon seems to vanish into the dark sky. Next appears the waxing crescent. A thin, curved slice of light grows on one edge of the moon each night. It looks like a delicate silver smile slowly brightening the evening sky. Around a week later, we reach the first quarter. Half the face we see is brightly lit, half in darkness. A sharp line divides light and shadow, revealing mountains and craters on the lunar surface. As days pass, the moon becomes a waxing gibbous. More than half of its face now glows. Night after night, the bright area swells, like a lantern being steadily turned up. Then comes the full moon. Earth is between the sun and the moon, and we see the entire sunlit side. It rises like a giant glowing disk, casting pale light over sleeping landscapes. After the full moon, the lit portion shrinks. We see waning gibbous, third quarter, then waning crescent. In about 29.5 days, the cycle completes, ready to begin its quiet dance again.